Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay and welcome to today's video. This is the first proper video that I'm actually sitting down to film in 2020, and I just want to say a huge massive thank you again to everybody who responded so positively to my video talking about how I was feeling about YouTube and all that. Thank you to you watching. I really truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be doing a chatty get ready with me video very soon so that I can talk a little bit more about those sort of things and recent developments. Also, apologies, I've got somebody in my roof at the moment checking out some possible water damage, so if you can hear any thumps, noises, clumps, bumps, sounds, noises in the night, that's what it is. But for now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer. I've seen it being talked about absolutely everywhere, and on Instagram especially. Now, I don't know if it's because this thing is actually taking the beauty world by storm, or because the algorithm likes to play with me, and I've been searching up Good Molecules a lot and using a lot of their products, tagging them, have them in my general internet cyberspace circle. But I do want to talk about it because it's actually, you know, spoiler alert, I like this product. Now, if you guys haven't seen me talk about Good Molecules before, I'm gonna leave that video linked up here where I talk about a majority of their skincare line in their range, so I'm gonna leave it linked up here if you want to see my review on a lot of their products. But in today's specific video, I'm going to be talking about the silicone-free priming moisturizer. Now, Good Molecules is a company that prides itself on giving good, clean ingredients in all their skincare, and above that, get this guys, Good Molecules is also a very, very affordable skincare line. Now, a lot of people think affordable means cheap, nasty ingredients. Not necessarily when it comes to Good Molecules. They have so many good, clean ingredients in their skincare, and they have proven to the world that you don't need to spend copious amounts of money in order to have a good skincare product. So having prefaced this video with all of that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, the claims for the Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer. It'll essentially smooth, hydrate, and prep your skin before the application of makeup. It is formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish your skin. We all know that our makeup isn't going to apply very nicely to your skin if your canvas is dry, is bumpy, is rough, is not prepped. Your makeup isn't going to look any good anyway, so you need to properly prep your skin. Now, I have found that this priming moisturizer does exactly that. Not only does it prime your skin for makeup, but it also acts as a actual skincare product. I have actually. What I love about it is that it's lightweight, it's not greasy or heavy or suffocating to your skin. When I'm pressing it into my pores, not that I have a lot, which I'm very, very blessed, but I don't feel like I'm clogging up my skin by applying this primer. I have also been quite guilty of just being too lazy to reach for a proper face moisturizer and just using this as moisturizer as well. Now, I don't think that's what you're supposed to use it for, but I have used it as such, and it doesn't clog up my pores when I've used this as a moisturizer minus the makeup. A lot of people have said that silicone is a really, really good product to smooth out your skin before the application of makeup, which is great. Like, everybody loves smooth skin makeup, right? We all want to look like porcelain dolls. Who doesn't? But on top of that, the continual application of silicone into your skin really is not good for it. Even if you do clean your face properly at the end of the day, silicone will ultimately build up in your skin. It's just not good for you. Whatever you put on, you are gonna get back. So ultimately, even if you do clean your skin properly, the application of something that isn't good for you is going to still affect you in the long run. It's going to cause breakouts, clogged pores, and we all know that's just not cute. We don't want any of that. Now, the reason why it is so special is because it is silicone free. A lot of people will think that if you don't apply silicone as a primer, your face is going to be a lumpy, bumpy, pores not smooth out, it's not going to be blurred, any of that. But this still behaves as if it's chockers full of silicone. Good Molecules has substituted silicone in this product for a plant-based silicone substitute. It doesn't exactly say what the plant plant is, but apparently it's a plant. But apparently it's a plant. It has shea butter, it has macadamia seed oil, and all of those ingredients working together help smooth out the skin texture, plumps it up with a lightweight, breathable feel for you to apply your makeup on top of. Not only that, macadamia seed oil nourishes and promotes skin cell regeneration, while the shea butter in it helps smooth and heal your skin with the antioxidant vitamin E. Not only will these essential fatty acids help protect and strengthen your skin barrier function, but it will also help deliver moisture deep into your skin. So what about all of this is not to like? These are all claims that this product has. The question is, does it work? My personal experience is, after using this for several weeks now, yes, it does work. Now, Good Molecules did send me this particular one, but it wasn't until after I had already purchased another one. I'll show you, I've got two here. So this is the one that Good Molecules sent me, and I also have another one which I purchased myself. So this review is completely non-biased. It was something that I was going to try and purchase to try out for myself, but Good Molecules was so really very kind to send this to me anyway. However, this video is not sponsored. All of these opinions are my own, and the experience that I'm relaying to you guys is 100% truth and honest, swear to God, whom I do take very, very seriously. So having said all that, what the company is all about, what the product claims to do, I don't know if it's gonna make any difference, but I'm gonna scoot you guys in a little bit closer and show you exactly how the product applies to my skin. Ooh, that's up close and personal. First and foremost, my skin is already clean, cleansed, fresh, but I've got absolutely nothing else on here other than the skincare that I applied earlier this morning, which was very, very many hours ago. So I'm gonna be taking this silicone primer. I'm going to be taking maybe a couple pumps on my hand right here and rub it in between my fingers. Now, I don't know if you guys can see exactly the state my skin is. The light isn't even very bright. Probably as close to truth as you're going to get on camera. And I'm just gonna apply it to my face. Now, what I really also love about this product is that it's very lightweight. It's non-greasy. It doesn't feel heavy, and it's not fragrant. It doesn't smell like anything. It just smells like good, clean moisturizer. In fact, no, it doesn't even smell like anything at all. It also absorbs very, very quickly into my skin. And also, another really good thing about it is that it doesn't burn my eyes. Not that you're supposed to apply anything in your eyes, really, but we all know that sometimes when we're in a hurry applying our makeup in the morning, sometimes we will get product in our eyes. But what I love about this particular product from Good Molecules, and in fact, all of the products from Good Molecules, none of them sting my eyes. Your eyes might get a little bit cloudy. You know, you might be feeling like you need to blink a little bit because you've got a film over your eyes because you've got product on your literal eyeballs, but it doesn't sting and it doesn't smell, it doesn't hurt, it's not harsh, it's gentle, it's lightweight. I just love it a lot. I just love it a lot. Now, looking at my skin now, it probably doesn't make that much difference on camera, but looking at my skin in the mirror, it just looks a lot more plump and fresh and moisturized. And not that it was really terrible before, because I've been really good regularly using the Good Molecules skincare, but I could imagine applying makeup straight on top of this now and the makeup blending up really nicely and not looking patchy and dry or anything like that. So yeah, that's that on that in application of the silicone-free primer. I hope it was helpful and informative to you. I really want to get the word out there about this particular product and this particular skincare line. Not only is it affordable, but it's also very, very effective. The ingredients in here are clean. The brand is vegan. They leave out fragrances, mineral oil, silicone, and general ingredients that are just not good for your skin. What more could you want from a skincare line, and what more could you want from a primer? Really, I have used this several times underneath makeup. It makes my makeup last all day and keeps it looking fresh. There is the general wear and tear of the makeup itself, because that, you know, that's what makeup is. It will eventually break down through the day, but I've found that this definitely helps the makeup last so much longer. That's it for my review, you guys. I hope it was helpful and informative. If you wanted to check out Good Molecules, I'm going to leave their website link down below. I think you can purchase it directly from Beautylish. If you guys were interested, hope this video helped. Go check them out. Again, this video is not sponsored. I have nothing to gain or to lose from creating this video. This is all 100% my own experience and opinion, and I really appreciate this brand for sending out products to me. And not only that, I would definitely purchase these products myself. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you are watching this video on your phone right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about anything in 2020. Give this video a thumbs up if you love skincare that works. Give this video a thumbs up if you love affordable skincare. And give this video a thumbs up if you've made it to this far in the video. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. I really truly appreciate you've chosen to spend your time here with me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. And so having said all of that, so now having prefaced this video with all of that, let's just my lips are dry, so dry. Use a bit of this. While the shea butter in it helps smooth and heal your skin with the smooth and heal your skin with the rejuvenation with the antioxidant. While the shea butter in it helps smooth and heal your skin with the antioxidant vitamin E. How many of this can I do in one video? Well, not only will these